Hello people. So, I went to record episodes 9 and 10 and 11 of Dark Souls, Sniffle Souls today, and I was an idiot. You see my little setup here, right? This here is my external hard drive, which has to be plugged into this here, which is my game capture thing, in order to work. But it's not, it's plugged into my computer. So the game capture, right, didn't capture any footage for the whole of the depths and like half of Blighttown. And so I'm afraid what I've decided to do is, rather than mess you guys around, is I'm going to make a new character. I'll get up to where I was, so you won't have to rewatch all the noob parts of the Undead Asylum, and you won't have to see me kill the gargoyles again, or the Capra Demon, or anything like that. And this time, before I get there, I'm going to decide on a build. As of yet, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll decide on a build. I will probably upload the audio to all 3 of those episodes in one long stream of audio, just like a blank screen. Listen to it like a podcast, like a gameplay podcast. But yes, I'm afraid I fucked up. If you have any notions as to what build I should do, let me know. I'm thinking that I will maybe do a dex build, even though that's hard mode. I might do a sorcery build. I would like to do pyromancy, but it's too slow. Strength, I manage just because one-hitting a lot of things, but I'm thinking about the future of it, of as far as I've gotten ever before on any of my characters. That would mean, I can't remember the name of the character, which one it was. It might have been Darius, or Lance, or the Noble Loon. I don't know. But whatever it is, I'm afraid the furthest I've ever got is to Pikachu and Snorlax. Well, just past them. That was on my sorcery build. But yeah, I don't want to do sorcery. That's the easy mode. I might do some sorcery. I might do a sorcery dex build. That's my current thoughts. But yeah, I'm sorry to have disappointed everyone, including myself. But yeah, I'll do that. I'll spend this afternoon working on getting back to where I was on my new character, who's going to be the sorcery dex build, at least this afternoon before I go to Nan. So I've got like an hour and a half. I can probably make it to pretty much where I was, if I don't fail miserably. So yeah, I'm very sorry, but shit happens. What are you going to do? I'll try not to make the same mistake again in the new playthrough. It's been very difficult. Right, I've got like 20 seconds of recording time left, so I'm going to have to call it. Thank you for watching. My name has been James. Hopefully you can like this, even though it's about me failing. And I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.